Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove a credit card from your Microsoft account. This process is simple and works on both desktop and mobile browsers. First, open any browser and go to the Microsoft website. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. A small menu will appear. From this menu, select My Microsoft Account. Once you're on your account page, look for the Payment and Billing section. Under this section, click on Payment Options. You may be asked to sign in again for security. If prompted, enter your email and password to continue. After signing in, you will see a list of the payment methods linked to your account. If you have already added a credit or debit card, it will appear here. Next to the card you want to remove, you will see a few options such as View, Edit, or Remove. Click on Remove. A confirmation message or a sidebar may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your action by clicking Remove again. Once confirmed, your credit card will be removed from your Microsoft account and you will no longer be charged using that card. That's all you need to do to remove a credit card from your Microsoft account.